Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Alex. I do beauty, lifestyle, and comedy videos. Make sure to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, do whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's videos. I'm pre-recording the whole week so that I can get videos out to you guys every single day. Like I said, I really appreciate it that you guys are tuning in. Happy. Say hello. Yeah. So guys, if you really want to hydrate your skin, make sure to stay tuned and let's get into the video. So I have a few products here that I use on a regular basis. I've been introduced to something new and I've tried it out for a while now. And honestly, I really like this combination that I have here. So firstly, I have the Netrogena Hydro Boost. You know I love this. It's amazing. I've spoken about it in so many different videos. And it's a staple. I'm already on my second jar. I have the Oils of Life, which lasts forever, from the Body Shop. This is amazing. And then a new favorite, I have the Bioderma anti-perfection cream, because I literally have breakouts. So this is a rose quartz tool that you stick in the fridge. I just saved the box because to look cute, but this generally stays in my fridge. Basically, what I am trying to achieve with this is to sort out my pimples and my breakouts, recent pimples and breakouts, and as well as hydrate my skin. All of this is, you're going to wash your face with warm water, which is going to obviously open the pores out. Now, when you use your products, obviously it's going to penetrate because the pores are open and it's going to go into your skin. But when you sleep and you're gonna obviously sweat it out, and there's nothing to like practically seal it into your skin. So that's where this rose quartz roller comes in. The rollers are generally to increase circulation and help you to like knead out all the fluid in your face. But because this is super cold, freezing from the fridge, and you're gonna put it on your skin, it's going to close those pores and it's going to lock in all of the skincare that you used on your skin already. So my favorite way is to put my Hydro Boost on, let it sink in for like maybe 5 minutes, it sinks in. Then just go in with your oil. It goes from your thinnest to your thickest. So it's your gels, your oils, and then your creams. And then I go in with, after the oil, then I go in with the cream, and I let that sink in. 10 minutes after I've done my skincare on my face, I then take my freezing roller and I roll all over my face like a quick roll, close all those pores and to tighten those pores. And honestly, the next day my skin is so hydrated and so supple. I just can't even. It's so smooth. Also, it's really smooth. My breakouts aren't that much. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, make sure to comment, hit the bell notification so you will never miss an upload. Thank you for spending your time with me. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.